Hi, today we are making a chilled passion fruit icebox cheesecake pie. It has a buttery graham cracker crust, a creamy tropical filling, and a bright passion fruit topping. This recipe serves 8 and takes about 25 minutes of active prep, plus 6 hours to chill. Let's walk through the ingredients, starting with 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs. They make the classic American icebox pie crust sweet, sturdy, and lightly toasty. 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter bind the crumbs together. Using unsalted butter keeps the crust rich without making it taste too salty. 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar are divided between the crust and the topping. It sweetens the tangy passion fruit while keeping the flavor bright. 16 ounces of softened cream cheese give the pie its cheesecake body. Softening at first helps the filling turn smooth and lump-free. 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk adds sweetness and silky texture. It also helps the chilled filling set beautifully. 1/2 cup of strained passion fruit puree brings the main tropical flavor. Straining it keeps the cheesecake layer creamy and smooth. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice sharpens the passion fruit flavor. That little extra acidity balances the creamy filling. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract rounds out the filling. It gives a soft bakery note behind the bright fruit. 1 cup of cold heavy cream makes the filling lighter. Keeping it cold helps it whip into soft, airy peaks. 1/4 cup of powdered sugar lightly sweetens the whipped cream. It dissolves quickly, so the texture stays delicate. 1/2 cup of passion fruit pulp with seeds finishes the top. The seeds give the pie its bold tropical look and a gentle crunch. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. In a bowl, stir 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter until every crumb looks evenly moistened. Now press that crumb mixture firmly into the bottom and up the sides of a 9-inch pie plate. A tight, even layer helps the chilled pie slice cleanly later. Chill the crust for 15 minutes while we make the filling. This short rest firms the butter and keeps the crust from crumbling too much. While the crust chills, beat 16 ounces of softened cream cheese for 2 minutes, until it looks smooth and creamy. This is the base of our cheesecake filling. Beat in 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk for 1 minute, until it is fully blended with the cream cheese. The mixture should look glossy and thick. Add 1/2 cup of strained passion fruit puree, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat for 1 minute, just until the filling is evenly golden and fragrant. In another bowl, whip 1 cup of cold heavy cream with 1/4 cup of powdered sugar for 2 to 3 minutes, until soft peaks form. This will lighten the cheesecake layer. Fold the whipped cream into the passion fruit cheesecake mixture in 3 additions. Use gentle strokes so the filling stays airy, creamy, and chilled dessert smooth. Spoon all of the passion fruit filling into the chilled graham cracker crust. Spread it from the center outward so the crust stays neat. Smooth the top into an even layer. A level surface gives the passion fruit topping a beautiful glossy finish. Stir 1/2 cup of passion fruit pulp with seeds and the remaining 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar until the sugar begins to dissolve. This keeps the topping fresh and tangy. Spread the passion fruit topping evenly over the filling. Let the golden pulp cover the surface so every slice gets that bright tropical bite. Cover the pie and chill it for at least 6 hours, or overnight, until fully set. This is the icebox step that turns the creamy filling sliceable. Slice the chilled pie into 8 servings and serve it cold. The chilled passion fruit icebox cheesecake pie is ready to enjoy. And there it is, a creamy chilled passion fruit icebox cheesecake pie with a buttery crust and a bright tropical finish. Serve it cold for the cleanest slices. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell for more desserts.